same. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were sung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the
well, there you go, you guys. There was my core training. Core straight and my watch here. So I did 12 minutes on the elliptical, as you guys saw. Hi, baby. Look at that. She loves to stand up. Hi, baby. Aurora. Hey. Those aren't your books. Thank you. But yeah, so I did 12 minutes on the elliptical, and then today I just really wanted to focus on the core. I feel like that's one part of my body that really needs to be strengthened is my core. Yeah. Yeah. So so that's what I did today. I did pretty much 2 rounds of just really strengthening that core. To be honest, I've never liked abs. I hate doing abs, so the least I could do, but the most effective, that's what I like to do. So I really feel like those workouts that I did really targeted the core. So yeah. But a little update on Aurora. She's feeling so much better. She just kind of draining all the mucus out of her nose now, so she is kind of, her nose is really runny, but she's feeling so much better. And she slept way better last night. So did I. But yeah, she only, I think, woke up once in the middle of the night. I think she just was coughing. But she's doing so much better, and I'm so happy because a sick baby is not a happy mama, that's for sure. But we're just doing laundry here, so I'm going to go ahead and go switch that into the dryer and then head back home and just kind of clean up the house.
The light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when.
Alright guys, so I just finished up changing the laundry into the dryer, and pretty much I'm just going to go ahead and clean the rest of the house. But I think I'm going to end this video here. I want to try doing a little bit shorter videos, so you know, people can watch them and actually just get straight to the point here. But let me know in the comments down below if you guys do like the longer day in the life. If not, I'll just be kind of splitting them up from like mornings and evenings possibly, things like that. So I have a band-aid on my neck. I'm pretty sure people are gonna ask, but the reason why I do is because I have this ginormous, started out as a little blemish, a pimple, and I went picking at it, of course, and I didn't get the remainings out, and it turned into this ginormous, disgusting, deep pimple. And I can't walk around like that, so I put this on. But anyways, don't mind that. Hopefully it goes away soon. If not, I might have to go see a doctor for it, because it's about the size of a mini plum, and it's those deep ones. So I don't know what's going on here. But anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe, and make sure to go follow me and my daughter Aurora on Instagram. And I hope you guys have a good day. Bye bye.